Hey guys, welcome to Video Map TV. Today we are live in Abuja, and right here I'm at Mike Autos.
Yes.
So I'm going to make a video about 1 million to 2 million naira cars. For those of you that are looking for very cheap cars to buy, this is where you can find 1 million naira to 2 million naira cars, very cheap and very sound vehicles to buy at Mike Autos. So right now we are going to know the prices of all of those cars, and I'm going to show you right now. Thank you.
This is Toyota Solara 2007-2008 model. It's a Nigerian used vehicle, fairly used and barely used in Nigeria. The car is buy and drive, good to go, with a V6 engine. A V6 engine. We can take a look at the interior and see. The car is a car that you will buy and you will never regret buying the car. If you buy this car, you will never regret buying the car. Look at the interior of the vehicle. Very clean, very sharp, very clean and very sharp interior. And it's also a leather seat interior, but very good to go. The car has a very smooth drive. Let us look at the back and see. Let's go to the back view and see. Toyota Solara, Nigerian use, is a car that you will buy and you will say, hey, thank you, my brother. Thank you for this price, and the price go for 2 million. This is Peugeot 406. Peugeot 406, Nigerian use. Very clean and very in a great form, A grade. Let us just say A grade. This car has what they call E10 engine. EW10 engine. It's a Nigerian used car. It's a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying it. The engine has never been touched before. Let's take a look at the interior and see. Very clean and very sharp Nigerian used car. It's a very clean and very sharp Nigerian used car. Look at the interior. Very clean interior. Clean interior. Nothing has been touched on this car. Nothing has been touched on this car. It's a car that if you buy, you will not regret buying this car. Let us look at the back view. Let's look at the back view of this vehicle. Very clean car. And it's a car that you will buy and thank me. And the price go for 1.4. This is Honda product, Nigerian use. EOD, the one we call discussion continue. And it's 2005 model. That is the model year. 2005 model, Nigerian use. First paint, but in the first grade. Let me just say A grade. Is a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying this car. Let's take a look at the interior. And the engine is V4. The engine is V4. The engine of this vehicle is V4. It has a black interior. Look at the dashboard, and the seat is also a leather seat, not fabric this time around. The seat is a leather seat, but it's a car that if you buy, you will never regret. And this car also have a navigation, and this one is a full option of 2005 EOD, the one we call discussion continue. Let's look at the back. Look at the back view. This is the back view of this car, Honda Accord EOD 2005 model, and the price goes for 1.7. This car is a Mitsubishi product, red color, and is a direct version. The duty fully paid. It's a car that comes with V4 engine. The engine capacity is 4 plug, not V6. So let's take a look at the interior. Direct version, Mitsubishi product. Is a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying it because the duty is fully paid and the engine has never been touched. Look at the interior, very sharp interior, very sharp and great interior. And the seats come with a fabric seat. The fabric seat, very sharp, is a car that is fuel efficiency. Very minimized fuel. Is a car that you will buy, even as a civil servant, you will never complain. Let's look at the back view of this vehicle. Mitsubishi Space Bus is a car that you will buy, direct version, and the price goes for 1.7. A Toyota Sienna 2002 model, Nigerian use. This car is slightly used in Nigeria, and the paint has never been touched, has never been painted. The engine has never been tampered with. It's a car that you will buy and you will not regret buying this car. You are going to get the benefits the purpose at which you buy it, you pay for this car. You're going to get it because it's a car that I will give you with guarantee because of the nature of the engine and the nature of the interior. Let's look at the interior and see. It's a Nigerian used car, Toyota Sienna, 2002 model, grade 1. If you look at the interior, very sharp. It's also a fabric interior, not a leather interior, but a fabric interior. But it's a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying the car. It's a Nigerian used, fairly used, and barely used in this country. So this car comes with goods to go with a very smooth drive. Let us take a look at the back view of this car. This is a back view of this car, and the price goes for 1.7. This is Peugeot 206, a direct Belgium vehicle. The car came from France. Is a France assembled Peugeot 206 direct Belgium. It's 2004 model with V4 engine. Very small engine. It's an engine that is affordable. It's an engine that is fuel efficiency. It's an engine that will not take much from your pocket. Let us look at the interior and see. Peugeot 206 direct Belgium 2004 model, imported from France. Is a France assemble. It's a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying this car. You will never regret putting your money in buying this car. So my customers, my viewer, I want you to come for this car. Come and pay for this car and thank me, because it's a car that will save much of your money in your pocket. Let us look at the back view of this vehicle, and the price goes for 1.8. This is Toyota Camry, the one we call fish light in our local palace, but the Toyota Camry 2001 model. Very clean Nigerian used vehicle. It's a Nigerian used car, but it's very clean and very sharp. The engine has never been tampered with. You can check the interior and see, with a very smooth drive. Very smooth drive. The car is a car that if you buy, you will never regret buying this car. Look at the interior. Very clean, very sharp, with a fabric interior. The seat is a fabric seat, and it's a car that you will like. After buying this car, you will come and thank us. Very good. Nothing to do on this car. It's a buy and drive vehicle. You can come to the back and see. Look at the back view. Toyota Camry Fishlight 2001 model, and the price goes for 1.3. This is Lexus ES 350. Fairly used in Nigeria, barely used, very clean, very sharp, and it's also a V6 engine, and the engine has never been tampered with. The engine have never been touched. You can come and see the interior and see. Very clean Nigerian used vehicle. Very clean Nigerian used vehicle. The engine has never been touched. Look at the interior. It's a black interior. Look at the dashboard with navigation. With a navigation camera, which we call reverse camera. And it also comes with a leather seat interior. A leather seat interior, very sweet, very sharp, and with a smooth ride. It's a car that if you buy, it's 2008 model. The car is 2008 model. Lexus ES 350 2008 model is a car that if you buy, you will like, with a very smooth drive. Nothing to do on this car, and the price goes for 3.8. We're into importation and sales of various different brands of cars, and our prices are cheap, very, very cheap and affordable, that you can come and patronize us. And this is Abuja, precisely Kubwa. That is the location of my car stand. And my phone number is 070-3430-8796. That is my contact. Anytime you need a vehicle of any kind, you can contact me on that line. I come again, 070-3430-8796.